Go.
Get out! Can I beat my child? She's 4 small. She's of age. I'm about ready to.
What started as a fun night at a live concert quickly turned into complete chaos. A young woman rushed onto the stage, causing a major disturbance and forcing deputies working security to step in. But instead of calming down, the situation only got worse. Her family tried to defend her, emotions ran high, and officers repeatedly gave her chances to leave peacefully. What happened next led to an arrest in front of a crowd. Let's break down exactly how everything unfolded.
That's my mother. Your daughter's fucking carrying on crazy and you want to be fucking rude. Get out of my mother's face and get the fuck home and take her with you. Okay? Everybody's had enough. We all seen it all goddamn night. I don't care if it's your fault, but you got in my mother's face and now I care.
I hope you know people don't.
That's my mama. And you ain't gonna do that. You got up here to get your daughter away from me, and you got in her face, and now we're having a problem.
Let's have a good time.
So let's find your way to
I hope you let go of me. I hope you let go.
Don't do that to my mom.
Coming. I hope you let go of me. You're coming. I got. I hope you let go of me, goddamn. Now. I
A lot of
apologize.
shit I'll put up with.
Stop it now!
18 times tonight.
Stop.
I'll with it. Get my fucking mama's face and
No.
very quickly.
Otherwise, she'll go to jail. Take her,
I'm
go to
going.
that fence,
Yes.
and you guys can wait
No.
for your ride.
Will. Yes.
Right now.
Stop
Go.
it. I got
Lock
it.
her
I
away.
got it.
Go.
Get out! Can I beat my child? She's 4 small. She's of age. I'm about ready to.
Leave with her, or you leave with me, and you go to jail.
Tracy, Ian, fucking move! Fucking move! It's not funny to me. It's not
Sorry, I
funny
don't
to
like
me.
to curse like that,
Move!
but
Now!
Better go before you go to jail.
Now! Now! I'm gonna. Any day. Will you throw that away for me?
Yep, I'll take care of it.
Don't touch me. Do not touch me. I'm gonna. Do not touch. Now! Now! Do not fucking touch. Get over that fence. Don't touch now. Me. Get over the fence, or I cannot help you. No, I'm calling Dad. Good. Call your dad. Please. Do not fucking touch me. Call Dad. Do not touch me ever again. Do not touch me ever again. Get over the fence. Don't touch me. Don't fucking touch me. Do not fucking touch me. Over the fence. And fuck you too. Don't fucking touch me. Do not fucking touch me. Don't fucking touch me. Don't fucking touch me. I cannot help you if you do not. I help myself. I help myself. Don't fucking touch me. You will not. Do not fucking touch me ever. Do not fucking touch me ever again.
So I'll tell you right now, your two options again. You go with her, you
you
go to jail.
too. Don't fucking
You go
touch
with her, you go to jail.
No,
Those are
don't
two options.
fucking touch me ever.
Okay.
You think you're a police
Okay.
officer?
All right,
No.
go ahead, talk big. I don't give a shit. You're getting out of here, you're going to jail. Those are your two options.
Now.
Hop the fence, get out.
Walk over that fence. Now. I will call my dad. I am so.
No, you're
I'll
fine.
call my dad. You don't get the respect that you deserve.
Okay, thank you.
Walk over the fence. I taught her better than this.
Nope, you're
Seriously?
fine. Don't worry about it.
I'll get my dad because this is bullshit.
Okay.
I will throw you over the fucking fence. Throw me over the fence then. Get off.
Hey,
Get over
leave.
the fence. No. Get over the fence. Get over. Look. 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 Look over there. It's low. You don't have to jump it. I'm not worried about jumping the fence. Then jump the fucking fence. No, I'm worried about the retarded people. You know what? It's not like this. People hate us. People hate us, and that's not how it is. I'm awesome. I hope you know that. I'm fucking awesome. No, you suck, and you suck too.
Okay, so you want to go to jail then?
No, take me. No,
I'm asking you right now. You
take
want to go to
me.
jail? Because that's where we're at.
Take me,
You either your mom or go to jail.
I've already been. I am begging you.
I've already been.
She's
Seriously.
right here.
You're
I
here,
Sorry for saying
you're here
that.
to cause problem. That's your only job.
I'm about ready to
That is your only job. That is why you're here.
Okay.
Hey, look.
No, that's why he's goddamn here.
He's
Every cop that I've ever talked to has always help.
Okay, so
They are never here to help. They are never here to help.
You have
Daryl,
5
you
minutes
know-
to leave.
No,
You have
I
30 seconds to leave. I'm counting.
hold on.
30 seconds to
Listen to
leave.
me.
I'm not listening to you. Other side.
No, I
Other
said you're
side.
not American.
Other side.
Go over there. Go over there.
You have 30 seconds
Because
to
I've
leave.
been here. I'm here
I don't
to
care.
help.
Otherwise, we'll take it.
I want you guys to help me. I want you guys to help me.
officers.
I don't care. You're done.
You don't care, then go. Go somebody else. They never care. They never help. They never care.
Are you gonna go there or are you gonna go to jail?
You
I'm
never
here to
help.
help right now. I'm trying to
You
shake your
never
ass
help.
from going to jail.
You never help.
Alright.
I have been here, and you guys never help.
I have no clue what you're
You
talking
guys
about.
never help.
I have no idea what you're talking
It
about.
doesn't matter. You guys never help.
It's
I've been
because
through
I have called for DV,
Okay.
and
And
I've
I've
never
been
gotten
through
any
the
help, so
ringer,
she
and
doesn't
you
trust you guys.
never help.
Care about the trust.
You guys
So
never
I
help.
need,
Period.
here's my right.
You know
Okay,
what?
I
Pick
need
up
you now.
Pick up trash, that's your job.
We're on the
Because you
other
guys
side.
won't
I've got
help
the
me.
sheriff.
You know
I've
what?
got- I
I'm gonna
need
be
you
all.
now.
I'm gonna be all on my own because you guys don't give a.
I don't know where
You
I am. You
guys
can find me.
literally
What
don't
side of
give
town
a
is this?
fuck.
Is this south?
You
I don't
don't.
know my
Yeah,
directions.
we're on the south.
We're on the south side with the
Southwest side.
barricades.
Don't give a.
Right? The road that takes you to the co-op? The road that takes you to the
Don't
co-op.
touch me.
Alright, let's sit down.
Why are you touching me? Why are you touching me?
You're done.
Stop!
Why are you touching me?
Because
You're
you
done.
don't stop, baby.
I'm not
You're gonna put hands on
doing
somebody, you're going to
anything.
jail.
But you're not.
I'm not putting hands
Oh,
on
you just did,
anybody.
so you're going to jail.
I'm
So
not
that was your
putting
decision,
Can
not
I
ours.
take her purse?
Yep. Yep.
I'm not
Just wait
putting
till we get her
hands
up,
on
alright?
anybody. Why am I going to jail?
Because you're big
Because you
stupid.
did, baby.
I did not.
You didn't listen to me. Go the f*** away. Back the f*** up.
Let's lock this one.
Go that way, bitch.
That's the most ridiculous. No,
Guys, I didn't do anything. I'm confused.
Okay.
No, you didn't.
I'm picking you up because I don't want you walking on the
No,
gravel. Alright?
I'm walking myself.
Okay.
First of all. No, I didn't put my hands on anybody. You
Okay.
guys put your hands on me.
Alright.
You guys put your hands on me.
Okay.
And I'm
Going to jail.
not doing anything wrong.
Okay.
You guys put your hands on me.
Okay.
You put your hands on me.
Okay.
And you've been here since like what, 5 o'clock? That pedo stash and everything?
Yep.
Yeah, I know. For what? What are you guys taking me for exactly?
Public Intoxication and
Exactly?
Interference.
What exactly am I arrested for?
Public Intoxication.
What am I arrested for?
I already told you.
What am I arrested for?
Public Intoxication and Interference.
I hope they both know they're going down.
Gracie, Gracie, look at me.
Have a seat.
Look at me. Shut the f*** up and do not say a damn word. Do you understand me?
Have a seat
You do
right
what
there.
they say.
I'm gonna kill somebody.
You know
I'm
what?
gonna fucking kill
Hey,
somebody.
stop!
Here's your phone.
Can I please just...
On September 30th, 2023, deputies from the Polk County Sheriff's Office were providing security at a concert when they noticed a woman jump onto the stage and interrupt the performance. Officers immediately escorted her off the stage to prevent the situation from getting worse. As deputies dealt with the disturbance, the woman's daughter became angry, arguing that officers had disrespected her mother. The deputies tried to calm everyone down and repeatedly told the family it was time to leave the concert. Instead of leaving, the daughter became increasingly emotional. She shouted at deputies, accused them of always causing problems, and repeatedly refused to follow their instructions. Officers stayed patient and gave her several warnings. They explained she had two choices: leave the venue with her mother or be arrested. Even after being given multiple chances, she continued arguing, yelling at deputies, and refusing to cooperate. The situation escalated when she made physical contact with one of the deputies. At that point, officers informed her she was under arrest.
Sit down, motherfucker.
Hey, hey, can I please just...
How old is she?
She's 20. Yeah, I don't know how she got a wristband. She went ahead of I did. She went ahead of me.
Where's your ride?
I'm right here. Yes.
Where is the car? I want a car right here. Give it here.
It's the red car right there.
Well, I need a car right here.
Alright. Please. Can you have? Show Grace. She does not trust you guys.
I understand.
I do not
It
trust
doesn't.
I
She
do
did
not.
is what she did.
She did. I'm not denying
you're
that.
not? Okay.
I totally am not. But I am having anxiety because I don't trust
I
you.
understand. We gave her tons of options. She decided to put hands on somebody.
You saw me trying to.
No, it's not on you at all.
Shut up! Shut up!
I don't know. Does she have an ID in her wall or in
I don't.
Don't know. What's the first? Alright, are you guys good? Can I run? Alright.
You're not worth shit. You are not worth shit. You're not worth shit, dude. You think you are, but you're not. You got that badge on your fucking arm and you're not worth shit. I hope you know that. Take me to prison, put me in jail. I don't care. You're not worth shit. I will protect my mom over everything, and you're not worth a goddamn thing. He's not worth a goddamn thing!
I love
Don't
you.
care. I love you too, but he's not worth a goddamn thing.
Keep your mouth shut.
No, neither is he. F you. F you! F you!
Hey,
You're not worth a goddamn thing.
You are 20 years old.
Neither,
Act like it.
no, not.
I
Because
love you.
they're
I
not
love
worth
you.
a goddamn
I'm
thing.
sorry, I
not
can't
worth
help
a
you right
goddamn
now.
thing.
I
am
cannot
worth.
help you.
I hope
love you.
I hope you know I'm worth everything.
I love you.
I hope you know I'm
Do you
worth.
know that?
Yeah,
I love
I'm worth everything, and they're not worth a
Always,
goddamn
hey,
cent.
always,
They're not worth a goddamn
always.
cent. Fucking leave me, Mom.
I don't.
Fucking leave me.
I'm not leaving you.
Everybody's worth nothing. Flaherty, fucking remember it because I'm different. Fucking Flaherty, you know who the I am. You know who the I am. Yeah, Google me. I ain't done shit wrong. Google me. Literally Google me. I ain't done shit wrong. Google me. I ain't done shit wrong. Google me. I ain't done shit wrong. I'm here for my mom. Fuck Google me, mother. Fucking Google me. If you weren't behind the signs, you wouldn't be here. And there are people who love me, and there are people who want me to be okay, and that is the people who are on your screen right now telling you to fuck off. So I guarantee you, you're supposed to be fucked off right now. And I guarantee you that I could totally end your career right now. Also, I could totally end your career. You think you're okay because you went there and like thought you were okay because you went to GAU and like all the football careers were okay? Nah, man. I'm there. I seen everything. I know what the f you did. I know what the f you did. No, I know what you did. You ruined everything. You ruined everything. You ruined everything, and I'm here. With or without you, I'm here. You're a piece of shit. I hope you know that. Grab me by the wrists. Grab me by the wrist. I'm literally gonna grab you by the goddamn throat and choke you because I don't give a shit. No, whoever's on the phone right now can shut the f up because they're not involved. Hey, shut the f up! You're not involved. Shut up. Shut up. You're not involved. You're not involved. You're not involved. Shut the fuck up. You're not involved. You are not involved. You are not involved. You are not involved. You are not involved. I literally got a concussion and everything else because of my goddamn head. And I'm telling you, you aren't involved. So literally shut the f up and stop talking to me. Literally shut the f up and stop talking to me. God, please f***ing help me! I'm gonna f***ing kill someone! because this is bullshit!
This incident shows how quickly a situation can escalate when emotions take over. The woman was charged with public intoxication, which generally means being intoxicated in a public place in a way that could disturb others or create a safety concern. She was also charged with interference with official acts, which typically applies when someone knowingly resists, obstructs, or interferes with law enforcement while they are performing their duties. What started as a disturbance at a concert ended with criminal charges that could have been avoided by simply following officers' lawful instructions and leaving the venue. What do you think about how this situation was handled? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this body cam breakdown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more real police encounters.